here is Madame Ajua Yeboah. She's an abused widow who would want to share with us her story. Madame Ajua, Bebacho, who know we have been saying? 6 years. And Polase.
Yes,
and Polani, yes, sir. Bebacho, who know now make a crew and I'm free. Actually, what you will I have something that you think. Tell me, who know not or here to my man.
I for now it's the motor union.
Oh, motor union. Okay. And you know, you will need to sit level to say.
That's for me. I didn't say, oh, you should come and be a it's not watching for that. It's me home. It's me home. It's not me. Yeah. I mean, it's
that was made by Fulani, sir. Or 3 or 6 years. Get to avoid this road. Now when you need now when you need okay. And you know, Cecilia, Jenna, we says our time, no, now one issue. Cecilia, we
say they are not until by you go. I look at me. You can buy it here. And bring it back from my Bible.
Okay. Into the same here, Senasagia, Debbie, Bamano, what's what you are signed to me? The bush are 40 and 1 from
your country. You feel be a man.
Bamani, Jeffy, when you are sick,
you catch with their feel. I feel more, yes, I would come and listen to meet you. You can say, hi, Jackson.
Feeling will come away. And almost feel of your almost your son to no one that's not if I shall get it for winter. Mamuja Mahai. Say that we are doing editorial rent. Yabaji feel every month. Say, I'm on high day. Say no, we are cheer. A dining.
Maybe you could not you are. I must say, I want to know a kind of picture of
okay. So, I will back pending your or yet.
So, I said, what do you want? It's a minute. My sick.
And what by now that you feel my life?
It's all boring. I'm not having a marker.
A boy, I will so a Juma film.
I told you not from
a Juma baby. The CIA, what I say, or the song of home duty. No, the day in Juma. Then, a Juma baby, I will say. Just which is said by Juma. Okay, okay. See, she was a man of a can of myself.
I said, I think I want to have fat to come more person of white. You shouldn't power. The wish would be money in your for a woman, not this idea of money.
Amen. We heard the story of Madame Ajua Yeboah. She's been a widow for 6 years, a widow with 3 children. According to her, the husband wasn't from this town, neither was he from this region. He was from the Ashanti region. And so after the death of the husband, the relatives have neglected and deserted her with the children. She's been the one taking care of the kids. So now, and even the building that the husband had left for them, the relatives of the late husband have claimed the building, not as if they are living in it now, but rather they have given it out for rent. The rent hasn't got it to her, neither have they given a dime from that particular amount to her to use in catering for the kids. As if that is not enough, she has gone to rent a place from someone else, and then she is not working. One would ask, how is she paying her rent? According to her, she goes to the yam market, goes to count yam. After counting, they give her something little, and then they might also give her yam to take home. It is from that something little that she's taking care of the 2K2 are left on her now. And it is that same little something that she's using to pay rent. Meaning that the day she doesn't get anything, they don't eat. What she is needing from Madame Benedicta is that the Lord should touch her heart. She provides her a capital to start her very own yam business, so that she can be able to take care of the 2 other children, as the first one is married with the husband in the Ashanti region. She wants to start a young business so that she can cater for the remaining 2. And also, if Madame Benedicta will be generous enough to cater for the educational issues of the other 2, she will be glad. She says God should bless Madame Benedicta immensely. Thank you.